I'm Dana.
I'm Bella.
I'm Dasha.
And we're the creative team at Market Apartments. So before doing our vlog on apartment decorating for each room, which we decided to go with the bathroom on this one, we really wanted to show how you can decorate for cheap, and then we wanted to see if we could do it ourselves.
So the first pin that we wanted to try out were painted mason jars that hold all of your bathroom supplies. The second pin that we found that we wanted to try was the Zen candle display. And the third one that we found was a roped trash can. And the last pin that we wanted to try, the fourth and final, were framed bathroom quotes.
Okay, so we wanted to show you guys the items before we started to work with them.
So the first thing we did was put rubbing alcohol on each item in preparation for the spray paint, and we went outside and spray painted each item using the acrylic spray paint, and we did the same thing with the vase and the toothbrush holder. We tried out the acrylic and the regular spray paint, and on the left is the regular and on the right is the acrylic, and we found that the acrylic one goes on thicker, so you don't have to do it as many coats. And after everything dried, we took some of the decorative rope and tied it around each item and just hot glue gunned it in place. And this is how the final product turned out. And this is the original pin on the left side versus ours on the right.
So this is when we were spray painting the pie tin for the Zen Candle Garden. We spray painted it, and then we simply just put the rocks in, put the candles in, and then tied the rope around the candles. It was super easy and really fast.
And this is the original pin on the left side versus ours on the right.
So right now I'm just putting glue on the fabric. I find that it sticks better to the fabric than the rope, and it covers pretty well.
And this is the original pin on the left side versus ours on the right. So we just created our own graphics and printed it out and put it in a frame we got from the dollar store. And if you're interested, the link to our free bathroom quote graphics is in the description below. There's about 6 quotes that you can choose from. And this is the original pin on the left side versus ours on the right. And this is how all the projects look in an actual bathroom.
So, honest opinion time. I did the trash can, so I have a pretty important opinion about it. It wasn't hard, but I feel like I would probably just go buy one. They're probably not that expensive. I'll look into that further and get back to you guys, but I don't think that I would do this again. It's cute, and it definitely came out a lot better than I thought because I'm not crafty at all. But yeah, I think I would just go buy one. This is super cute. I would definitely do this. I would definitely have this in my bathroom because I love the candles, the rocks, and you know, everything just, it's simple, and I could do this and I like it.
So if I were to do this project again, I would probably spend a couple extra dollars to get a slightly nicer vase, and I would also make sure that the vase was clear or had an easy color you can see. With the green, it was really hard to cover it with the spray paint, but I do really like the flowers in the vase idea, so I would maybe just get a slightly different vase.
So I actually really like these. I think it's really cute to like hold all your bathroom stuff. I think my favorite was probably the framed quotes, but I might be a little biased since I made them. And the toothbrush holders. The only thing that sketches me out a little bit is the fact that my toothbrush would be in something that was spray painted. I'm not sure how safe that is, but they are still really cute.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope that you found a lot of the ideas helpful, and if you have any other ideas or anything you would like us to try, go ahead and comment that below. Also, if you're looking for your next apartment, you can go to our website, marketapts.com/apartments, where you can find a lot of apartments in your area and also apartment living tips.